Hello, welcome to the Help Your Team, Help You podcast. Today we will speak about how to maintain team excellence. I will explain two concepts that are used to maintain team excellence, which are task maintenance and team maintenance. So let's develop it now. First, task maintenance. Task maintenance, also known as project management, ensures that teams successfully complete the project task and or achieve the required outcome. This includes ensuring that the team is on track to meet deadlines, staying within budgets, and meeting quality standards. Task maintenance is typically done through regular meetings where the team reviews timelines, budget, and processes. This allows the team to identify any potential problems and take corrective action early on. Second concept, team maintenance. Team maintenance ensures that the members of the team continue to work effectively together to achieve the project, task, or outcome. This is often more challenging than task maintenance, as it can be difficult to talk about feelings and emotions. However, it is important to create a safe space where team members feel comfortable voicing their concerns and asking for help. This can help to build trust and rapport with the team, which can lead to better collaboration and productivity. Here are some tips of team maintenance. Create a culture of open communication. Encourage team members to feel comfortable expressing their thoughts and feelings, even if they are negative. Then, set clear expectations. Make sure everyone on the team understands their roles and responsibilities. Also, encourage conflict resolution. Help team members to resolve conflicts in a constructive way. And finally, celebrate successes. Take time to celebrate the team success, big and small. And to conclude, task maintenance and team maintenance are both important aspects of project management. By ensuring that both are done effectively, you can help to ensure the success of your project. Thank you and see you in the next podcast.